Hello everyone, and today I'll tell you how to measure your stress level on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. First of all, make sure that the bracelet is comfortably placed on your wrist. It shouldn't be too tight, shouldn't be too loose. Now, scroll right and find the stress title. If it's not there, scroll until you find Add Titles and just simply edit. Now, let's tap a stress title and let's tap Measure. Give it some time until it measures your stress level. Please ensure that it's worn correctly, not touching the bone. If the sensor doesn't work on one side, try another one. Now, wait for the measurement to be complete. The Galaxy Fit 3 will display your level of stress. If the stress level is low, like it is here, it means you're relaxed. You can also check this data on your Samsung Health, so open your Samsung Health application and see all the information, including the stress level. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.